Oh, motherfucker. I am so fucking excited, you would not believe, right? I bought a Pro Race exhaust, full titanium. Oh, it looks so fucking good. It was between this and the Race Fit. The reason why I went for this one's because they had options for baffles in it. Because the Race Fit ones are fucking loud. And I'm not a loud exhaust fan. I like a nice fruity exhaust, you know, you know, I like a bit of noise, but I'm not one for a really, really loud exhaust. So I'm just gonna try and I have actually got a staple pulley, you know, I don't know why I'm doing this. But you know what, I'm gonna get the staple pulley out. What a fucking idiot. Get one of these if you've never had one before, they're fucking amazing. You just put it in, bang. So yeah, I've been doing my research and fucking hell, that's a tight one, bloody hell. Been doing my research and basically, yeah, Race Fit seems to be they tick off the boxes that I'm looking for, you know what I mean? They tick off all the boxes, so touch wood, it's not too loud. Because like I said, I just want a nice fruity blah, 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 blah. The thing is as well with the speed triple, is I'll be doing a video on this if it's not out already. If it is, go and look on the channel. I'll be doing a video covering where's the whistle gone. The whistle has disappeared on the speed triple. It used to whistle really nice, but now it doesn't, and you can hear it kind of in the background, but okay. I am so excited. You would not believe how excited I am. Like, these things look beautiful. So there we go, we've got me, JW, number 11534. Get into this bad boy. Right. Oh yes, I forgot about that. The servo eliminator. Means I can take that horrible fucking servo out. Yeah, along with the fucking silencer. Because remember, the black box is not a cat, it's a silencer. It's part of the exhaust, it's part of the end of the exhaust, which is why it sounds so shit. So what I have got is I have got some nitrile gloves, because this is titanium, and I always fucking cringe. I cringe my twat off when I see people putting on exhausts with bare hands. Anyway, right, let's take that out. Here we have the fittings, mounting stuff, bracket, etc. I can remove from what I understand at least, I can remove the rear foot pegs on the right hand side now, which is great. I've got a thank you card from all of us at Pro Race. Really appreciate your support. The guys are awesome, they'll always respond to you. I've had really good chats with them online. Hopefully the baffle's inside the exhaust, because I haven't actually got it here. And that is light. Oh my god, that is light. Holy fucking shit. Oh man. Oh, I can't explain to you how excited I am for this. This is like... This is Christmas. This really is Christmas. Right. Trying to fucking scratch the shit out of it. But I've never seen an unboxing for one of these before. I'm going to do an install, of course. I can't put it on yet because it's Thursday today, and Saturday I'm going down to P3. P3 tuning to get the bike dynoed with a standard exhaust on. Then we'll put this on, and we'll go back down again at some point. This is so light. This is unbelievably light. Like, I can't. It's going to be a massive saving on weight. But these guys at Pro Race, they're absolutely awesome. I've been talking to them on Instagram and they're very responsive. God, that's light. My God. They're very responsive, easy to talk to, and the pictures they put up of the welds. Oh. So I'm really excited to see this, because titanium welding is very, very difficult if you don't know. There we go, holy shit. And it has got the baffle in. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, look at that. That is a fucking chunky boy. That's like... That is... Right, let's get this off. Oh, don't drop it. That is very, very light. Ridiculously light. We'll do our full weigh-in and stuff when we do the install, and a before and after and all that. Be interesting to see what the dyno says. Oh my God, look at those. Oh my fucking God. Let's have a look inside there. Can I feel them? Oh my God. Smells like it's been ACF coated or something. Holy shit, boys and girls. Look at that. Oh my God, look at the coloration where the heat's got to it there. hopefully that's all going to change. And I've got the removable baffle. We'll do a comparison in and out, but I have a feeling that with the baffle out, it's going to be fucking way too loud, especially in my back garden. As soon as it's on the road, it might be different, but all handmade in the UK. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that shit. Look at the welds on that. That is just the workmanship on this. Those welds on the back aren't particularly great. There's a few blotchy marks. Hopefully they didn't rush out to get it to me, but overall, man. And that is just, that's nothing. That weighs fuck all. That weighs absolutely fuck all, and it's gonna hopefully pick up some of that nice colour that titanium does. These lobster cuts here, are fucking beautiful, just saying. But hopefully it picks up some heat where it collects. The heat collects around the corners here. I'll give it a clean, because there's some marks on it from the thingy. Give it a clean, and we'll ACF coat it. Not sure if it's really needed for titanium, but yeah, I mean, look at the spot welds there. Even there, just beautiful. And the way that the titanium just changes colour is, it's golden. It's almost golden already. I can't wait to put this on and hear what it sounds like. I mean, look at that. Oh god, it makes me fucking hard. Let's get a thumbnail. Hopefully no one's watching. Maybe the next video you'll see will probably be of the P3 tuning dyno run. We'll see what we get. We'll then install this, hopefully on the Saturday, on the same day. That'd be even better, that, wouldn't it? We'll install this, very, very simple install. The worst part is going to be taking the old one off, the OEM one off. And then we'll kick off, we'll put this on, we'll see what it sounds like, we'll do a DB test, all that kind of stuff, because I know if anyone's like me, they don't really like the loud exhausts. It's going to be fucking loud, I get it, but hopefully not too loud. Oh, god damn, look at that shit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next one, sod 'em out. I'm just going to masturbate over this, to be honest.
Another one.